So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a little injection right in there, and we're gonna get into the bursa, and we're gonna get the medication in there, and we're gonna do our thing. So, what do you want from Santa Claus this year?
Peace in the family.
Peace in the family. Let's start with easy goals. Not world peace. Peace at home.
Peace at home.
Yeah, I love it. That's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
No, we're a happy family, and we are happy to be coming to see you for the last 12 years.
Been a long time, hasn't it?
I think we've been coming.
That's our spot right there, right?
Nope.
That's not the spot? You have a, what you have is you have a little skin spot there that makes it look like that's our spot. Here's your spot right there, right? Okay, here's the hip joint. I know we made a dimple. Is it right? Oh, we better re-find it.
Higher. You're getting there towards the back. Right here.
Right in there's where you're feeling it. Right there. I think that was our spot.
I think so. Yeah.
Right there?
Oh, right.
Yeah, that's where we did it. That's our spot. We were in the right place.
Okay.
Okay, let's make sure our camera is still totally,
good.
we're still G, okay. Did you finish your Christmas shopping?
Almost.
Uh-huh.
I hadn't even started.
So what did you bring me?
Our church adopts a family every year. Our class actually adopted a family.
That's awesome.
And we had fun buying bicycles and games and toys, and
How many people in the family?
this family has 6.
More and better.
So a big family.
Big family, lots of kids, one special needs. So we had a good time buying for people that seriously need it.
Half dose like you asked.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She asked for a half dose because last time she went from Mrs. Claus to Mrs. Grinch.
I hear that's who decorated for you.
And now
Yes.
magenta?
Well, the DW loves the Grinch. My darling wife. She loves the Grinch. All right, Magenta, what you're going to do tonight is about an hour before you go to bed, I want you to ice this for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
Do it about an hour before bedtime. Then tomorrow, the steroid portion of this injection should really work well for you, okay? And you're awesome. Thanks for letting us video your procedure. You don't mind if we video your procedure,
No,
Miss
I
Magenta?
don't care at all.
Oh, okay.
Hey folks, it's Adam from 911, and today we're taking a look at Meta 7. I've been taking Meta 7 for about 2 years now, and it really boosts my metabolism. It gets my day going, kind of like the effects of caffeine, except without the jitters, without the heart palpitations, without all the negative side effects. Now you're going to want to take Meta 7 for a week or two before you really notice a difference. But if you're looking to lose weight and feel better, I'm a big fan of Meta 7. Go ahead and try it today. If your diet isn't what it should be, if you're getting headaches, if you're getting tired in the day, just not having the level of energy you did when you were young, Meta 7 can help boost that. Boost your metabolism. Check out Meta 7.